Hey, what's going on, guys? The mayor here. He's Sharon and the newest member of the APP team. Super pumped to be hanging out with you guys again today. And again, I say, pat yourself on the back. Be proud of yourself for being here today, because I think it's super cool that you've invested into your growth as a insurance professional. As we head into a new year, we're talking about what everybody's talking about right now, setting goals. Everybody wants to set their New Year's resolutions. I want to lose 25 pounds. I want to stop smoking. I want to quit drinking. I want to go to church more. I want to be a better parent, whatever that may be. But if you set those goals as an agency owner, if you set those goals as an insurance professional, have you set those goals in your career as well? Today I want to talk to you about that a little bit. And I think it's super crucial that we do that and not just set vague or arbitrary goals of, those vague goals of, I want to grow my business or I want to, write more policies or whatever it may be. I think it's important that we get a little more specific on those. And I would even say maybe have two. Maybe have one that you'd be happy with and one that would just astound you. And I think that would be huge. I subscribe to that with a stretch goal and then your BHAG. And so for that stretch goal for agencies, most commonly set as like an overall business goal or grow by X percentage, or, you might look at it as a retention goal to say you want to grow your retention and put a specific in there. And then, what I would say is, maybe have those two to have a specific of, let's use an example of retention. If you want to, your stretch goal might be, to grow it by X amount percent you'd be happy with. If you got there, it'd be great. And then you might set another one on top of that to say, I want to grow by X much higher. And that would just astound you, to say, you want to get to 98% retention. If you got there, that's a big, hairy, audacious goal. But I think you got to have those to work towards. But I also think there's goal setting and then there's goal doing. And that's something that I've adopted over the last several years in my own personal life that I think is crucial. I talk to my kids about it. It's one thing to say, for my son who plays basketball to be able to say, I want to, have a, high percentage of free throws. Well, how are you going to do that, son? Are you going to get out there every day and shoot free throws after school? You're going to go in the mornings before school and do that? Are you going to work on your form every day? My daughter, I hate to use sports analogies, but I'm a dad who coaches his kids. And so, my daughter wants to shave several points off her golf score. Well, how are you going to do that? Are you going to get out there and you work on your chipping and your putting? Are you going to get out there and work on driving? You got to get there every single day and do it. I say the same thing for you as an insurance professional. If you want to improve your loss ratio, or if you want to improve your retention, or if you want to improve a strategy or some sort of goal in your agency, you got to, put some things around there and some goals to go around those things, some tasks to go around that to make sure that you achieve those goals. Guys, I really go back to, two goals, a stretch goal and a BHAG. Big, hairy, audacious goal. I can't speak today. So I hope this video helped you today, and I hope it's something that you got something out of. If you did, subscribe to the channel, forward this to a friend of yours, something to that effect, and continue to watch these as they come through every day. I hope you have a great day today.